Students, how are you all?
I'm fine, thank you, sir. We are fine, sir. Alhamdulillah. How are you?
I'm also fine, Alhamdulillah.
Sir, how are you?
Walaikum assalam wa
Assalamu
rahmatullah.
alaikum.
Walaikum assalam.
Sir, salam. Sir, assalamu.
Okay, so students, in last class we have studied about number names, how to write three-digit number names. Okay, so today also we'll continue with this same topic. Okay, so let's have a quick recap how to write number names. So basically the number names are the word form of numbers. Okay, in this we write numbers in word form. Okay, am I audible clearly, everyone?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Sir, how are you?
Fine, alhamdulillah. Okay, so let's have a quick recap. No need to write anything. So everyone take out your notebooks also. Okay, so let's take a number, three-digit number. Okay, I have taken this. So it is a 453. Okay, this is ones place, this tens place, this one is hundreds place. Okay, so we start writing number names from the highest place value. Okay, which is 100. So we start writing number name from 100. So I told you have to split this number into two parts. Okay, in first part we will take this 100 place digit, and in the other part we'll take these two numbers together. Okay, tens and ones. So first we'll write number name for this digit, the highest place value digit. Okay, so 4 is at 100 place, hundreds place. Okay, so we have to take it only one number this. Okay, we don't have to take these two numbers together 45. No, in first part we will take only the digit which is at hundreds place. Okay, so the digit at 100 place is 4, so we'll write 4, and it is at hundreds place, so we need to write 100 also. Okay, 400. No need to put s here. Okay, 400s, no, only 400. Then the rest two digit will write together as we write the two digit number names. So we will take these two numbers together. It is 53. Okay, so we'll write 53, FIFTY 50 and 3. So it can be written as 453. Okay, so let's take another number. this is ones place, then tens and hundreds. Okay, so we'll split this number into two parts. Hundreds, in first part we'll take hundreds digit, and the second part we will take tens and ones. Okay, so first part we will write the number name for first part. It is 5 at hundreds place, we will write 500. Okay, don't forget to write 100. 500. In second part we have 68. Okay, so we'll write the number name for two digit number 68. So like this we write number names for three digit numbers. Okay, everyone understood?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Today. Minus.
And I told you that when 0 is there, so no need to write the spelling of 0. Okay, let's take one example for which have 0. Okay, it is 203. So split in two parts. This is 2 at hundreds place, so we'll write 200. Okay, then in second part we have 03. So we'll not write the spelling of 0 here. Okay, just write 3 only. 203. Okay, no need to write 0 here. Understood?
Yes, sir.
Okay,
Yes,
so
sir. Plus or minus. Plus or minus. Sir,
everyone take out your maths notebook only. Okay, I'm giving you some questions based on this number names. Okay, you have to write a number name for three digit numbers, so be ready. Write today's date also. Today is 2/8/21. And today's day is Monday. Write the number name of the following numbers. So numbers I'm giving you, you have to write number names. Okay, students, so copy these questions and write number names for these in your notebook. And no one will write answers in chat box. Okay, just write in your notebook and you have to share on WhatsApp only. Anyone want to ask anything, so you can write in chat box if you have any query. Yes, Aisha Shamim, do you want to ask something?
No, sir. No, sir.
Okay, so why are you raising hand? Amina Ashraf,
Yes, sir.
do you want to ask?
No, sir.
Okay. Those who have done can share your work on WhatsApp. Okay, no need to write answers here. First copy all the questions, then start writing your number names. Copy all the questions. Yes, students, have you all done?
Yes, sir, I am done it. No, sir, my work is done, sir. I have not done. Send WhatsApp.
Okay, those who have not done, kindly do it quickly. And 90 is NINETY 90. Okay, not NINTY. Some student has written like this NINTY. So erase it and make it correct. Write NINETY. Now is it done, students?
No, sir.
Still writing.
Four lines are lost. I am on last one. Sir, I'm doing.
Okay,
Sir, 4 lines are lost. Sir, done.
Okay, student, now let's see how to write numbers from number names. Okay, everyone stop writing and listen. Look here. Stop writing, everyone. Let's we have a number name here. Yes, we have 403. Okay, and we have to write this in number form. Okay, earlier we have done uh, number names from numbers. Now here number names we have to change it in number form. Okay, so here 100 is given, 403. So I told you that for writing hundreds we need 3 places. Okay, we need 3 places to write 100 numbers. Three places, ones, tens and hundreds. Okay, so how many hundreds are there? 400. Okay, so 4 will go at 100 place. So this is 100 place. We'll write 4 here at 100 place. Now after 400 what we have? We have only 3. Okay, so where we will write 3? Yes, student, tell me.
Ones place.
Is there any tens?
Tens place 0.
Is,
0. Ones place.
is there any tens in this?
No, sir. No, sir.
Very good. Here in this we don't have tens, so we'll write 0 at tens place. Okay, at the end we have 3 only. Okay, so 3 we will write at ones place. Okay, it is 403. Let's take another example. Five hundred 20. Okay, so here 100 is there, it means we need 3 places, ones, tens and 100 place to write. Okay, so 500. So we will write 5 at which place? Yes, student.
100.
Yes.
100.
Very good. We have to write 500, so we will write 5 at 100 place only. Okay, 500. Then we have 20. After 500, what is there? 20. So 20 is 2 tens. 20 is equals to 2 tens. So we will write 2 at tens place. And we don't have ones here. So write 0 at ones place. Okay. It is read it as 520. Okay. In this we don't have ones, so that's why we are putting 0 at ones place. I hope you all have understood.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Okay, so
Yes, sir.
I'm giving you some questions based on this. Yes, write numbers. So I'm giving you number names here and you have to write in number form. A student start copying. So these are 5 questions that you have to solve. So copy it quickly in your notebook. Student, I have shared this question on WhatsApp also. Okay. Now student, Zoom class is over. So after completing this, share your work on WhatsApp. Okay students.
Yes, sir. Allah Hafiz, sir.
अल्लाह हाफिज़।
Allah Hafiz, sir.